the Call Explorer, which we will dive a little bit deeper into here in a couple of minutes. But let's say that you wanted to look at the missed calls that came into the office yesterday. Let's say your practice had a super busy day. You know that there's some outstanding missed calls and voicemails. You can change that filter to yesterday, click into, the missed calls or the voicemail, whatever you want to dial into, and it'll take you directly to a list of calls where you can go ahead and take a look at those calls and see if there is some patient outreach that's needed there. So really great feature that I like to highlight. Moving down, I'm going to go ahead and start covering our opportunity section. So you'll see here a opportunities chart. This is opportunities that are created from calls that came into the office that were answered. So this is going to create opportunities that were either from existing patients or new patients. And then you can see this is broken down further into those that were able to successfully book an appointment and those that were not. So the part that we like to really highlight here that could bring a lot of value to your practice to capture capture those new patients. Um, Taking a look at these new patients that were not booked. And you can, again, you'll see that this turns purple. You can go ahead and click into it. It'll take you to that Call Explorer, and you'll see all of those new patients that called in and were not able to book an appointment for whatever reason. So this is a great feature here to help you, like I said, just capture those new patients if that's one of your practice's goals. And even checking in on these existing patients, seeing why they were not able to get an appointment booked on your calendar.